Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. We're going to be doing a little something different. I got myself a new home in Oregon. Just doing a little remodeling. We're going to be going through how to remove baseboard, how to texture walls, and how to paint. And then also install doors, baseboard. I'm going to be doing quite a bit to this house. But right now we're focusing on removing all of the odds and ends to get ready for paint. So we're gonna be removing baseboard, door trim, and things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the door frame in for now. Just give me something easy to tape to for painting. And so let's get going, guys. Let me take you through a quick walkthrough of the house so you can kind of see what I'm gonna be up to. And so these will be on the Friday videos. I still will continue doing Night Owl, but I'm in the process of moving it up from California and getting moved into this place. So it'll be a little while until I can get Night Owl back on camera again. But I will have a brief video coming up when we move it up and trailer it up to Oregon. So let's go ahead and do a walkthrough of the house, guys. All right, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And watch till the end. You'll enjoy it. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and take you in through the front door. Eventually, we're gonna be replacing those 3 back windows with some better double pane windows. One has actually failed. Not a big deal, be easy swap out. Coming to the bedrooms, we're going to be doing some baseboard, door trim, new doors. Carpet's gonna stay, it's brand new. Get rid of this blue paint, it's just way too dark. I'll probably go with like a creamy mushroom on that. As far as the ceiling goes, I like textured ceilings. This is a little heavy on the texture. What I'm probably gonna do is sand it down, smooth it out, smooth coat over it, and then I'll spray the same texture I'm doing on the walls up on the ceiling, and that's throughout the house. I mean, I like it, but I wanna be able to have it match the walls, so if I ever need to do any repairs, I can easily repair it and match the texture. The closets, we're gonna go ahead and put new closet doors in. I've already pulled them off. I'm gonna be putting new door trim on. All that's gonna be white. I wanna try to lighten up the house a little bit, just a little dark. We'll probably be doing, one of the upcoming videos, we'll be doing some closet organizers. Those are actually gonna get removed. One of the other fun tasks I gotta do is remove this wallpaper. I've already removed some trim work. They kind of did like a facade wainscot with the white wall below and the trim halfway up the wall. I don't know how hard this one's gonna be. Some come off really easy, some do not. Again, we'll be doing another closet organizer. I'll be trimming out those doors to match the framing and the doors of the entryway. Also, I'll be doing, oh, sorry about that, it's a little dizzy. I'll be doing the windows as well. Putting a little, not a little bit, a little bit bigger window ledge there and just trim it out. So that's the other bedroom we have. Coming into this bedroom, not big fan of that blue. I don't know if it's blue, green, I don't know if you guys are picking it up. It looks like baby blue from what you guys are seeing, but it's more of like a sea green. I don't know, lime green almost. Be doing some door or window trim there. Probably replacing the fans in all the bedrooms as well. Again, the ceiling, we've been smoothing that out and texturing that and getting rid of that red closet. That's just hideous, it's just way dark. And then doing a nice little closet organizer for there as well. I'm gonna be replacing this hinged door with a regular door that matches the rest of the doors in the house. They did this for the water heater and heater on the house. I'm just not a big fan of those accordion doors, or not accordion doors, they're just closet doors. So it'll just match the rest of the doors throughout the house. Probably gonna keep these for a while. I kind of like them. I don't know. Probably wind up painting them white to match the rest of the doors. They kind of have their own style to them. I might leave them for a while. They're unique. This house is a 78, so a lot of the stuff is dark stain. I'll probably be leaving these as well. A few cracks in the ceiling in the kitchen. Not too worried about it. I'll just sand it down, tape it, put some wood above, screw into that, and retexture over it. Probably never see those cracks again. Got one there. Got one, like an L shape. I don't know if you guys can pick that up or not, but it comes across there. And then we got another one over here that's long ways. Almost looks like they removed a wall at one point and just never really did the correct tie-in. So we're gonna go and do that. The other thing is that register is obsolete, so I'm gonna actually be removing that, filling it in with sheetrock, texturing it, doing the whole deal on that. Coming in the laundry room, I'm just gonna do paint and ceiling texture. Probably change out that fan. So, I mean, the texture looks good throughout the house. Just, I'm not a texture guy. I usually spray it on and I'll skip trowel it over. So to match that, it's not easy. I'm not, the best at texturing. So, I'm gonna stick with what I know. Yeah, then we'll put new baseboards on. Probably keep this linoleum for a while until we decide what we wanna do with this room. Love this fireplace. The guy did, he put some fans in there. That's actually a gas fireplace. It works really well. Love it. Love the look of it. That mantle looks pretty nice up there. It's got a nice big edge up there to set whatever you want up there. Probably leave that alone for now. There'll be some mortar touch up here and there, but for the most part, I'm gonna keep that. I will be doing some electrical videos. I'm gonna be replacing these throughout the house with square ones to match the switch, and also they'll be white as well. And like I said before, I'll be doing baseboard throughout the house, re-trimming out these doors. Yeah, so all these door trims are gonna get painted white. This is a kind of cool little feature. I like it, but I'm not totally sold on it. I don't know what we should do with that, but for now we're gonna leave it. I will be replacing this window and the 3-bedroom windows with better double pane windows. Haven't quite decided which ones we wanna go with yet. The previous owner left these two guys. All right, so coming in is the dining room. We got this cool lattice. I like it, but I'm just not completely sold on it. We'll probably leave it for a while as it is. Maybe paint it, maybe not. These windows, I'll be replacing with better double pane windows, trim them out fully. And I'll be doing the 3 bedrooms as well. The previous owners left us these cool cabinets. I don't know if they're gonna stay inside. I'll probably put them in the garage. They're nice cabinets. I just hate to put them in the garage, but there'll be some good shelves for me to use out there for all the car stuff I do. We'll be doing we'll be smoothing the ceiling and retexturing that to, like I said, to match the walls. Get rid of this yellow, and it'll be one uniform color throughout the house. This closet here is the entryway closet. I love those doors. Just not sure what we're gonna do with them just yet. We might remove them completely, just frame that in and do one of those little cool sitting areas in there. Haven't quite decided on that. So we'll see. Maybe we'll do new entryway down the way, and new front door. This front door actually sticks in the bottom corner. It gets stuck as you're closing it and opening it. Not a big deal. I'm gonna see if I can shim it out, clean it up, make it look a little bit better on and close better. We'll see. For now, that's gonna stay for a little bit. The main project is the bedrooms right now and the laundry room. I'm getting new doors in there, baseboard, and like I said, paint and all that. So stay tuned, guys. There'll be quite a bit going on in this house. Probably doing some backyard stuff. The backyard's really nice. It's got a little river in there. At some point, we'll probably change out these cabinets. The kitchen was redone in, I think, '94. So they're not that old. They look good, but I'll probably wind up painting them or putting new cabinet doors on. I don't know. We haven't quite decided on that. Maybe we'll do a full kitchen remodel. Maybe we won't. One of the other things I might be doing is removing this thing in the corner and putting in a pantry with a door on it. We'll see. Got a lot to do here. Yeah, so just stay tuned, guys, and we'll get at it.